Good morning, everyone. If you missed the past 24 hours in crypto and stocks, here's your full recap. Bitcoin dipped all the way down to 80,500 before recovering to trade around 84,100, and we're now down roughly 36% from the all-time high of 126,300 back in early October. Bitcoin realized losses have surged to levels we haven't seen since the FTX collapse, with short-term holders driving the bulk of the capitulation, and extreme fear just hit the highest level in the history of the CMC Crypto Fear and Greed Index. Over $1 billion in crypto long positions got liquidated, and spot Bitcoin ETF volume actually hit a new all-time high, which shows people are still paying attention even during the bloodbath. Now, BlackRock deposited 4,198 Bitcoin, worth $348 million, into Coinbase, and Michael Saylor came out saying their strategy is long-term and their conviction in Bitcoin is unwavering, but Jim Cramer had a different take, saying he doesn't think everything is fine with Bitcoin and that we shouldn't take the first bite because there's a lot of margin use and we need a further washout, though he also said lots of good elements are lining up for a rally, so make of that what you will. The chances of a 25 basis point rate cut in December just spiked to 68%, which gave some people hope, and US Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent was spotted at a Bitcoin bar in DC, which is an interesting signal. On the broader market side, the S&P 500 is down 5.8% from its October 29th peak, marking the 31st pullback over 5% since the March 2009 low. And there's AI skepticism everywhere, but NVIDIA is showing accelerated computing with generative AI, agentic AI, and physical AI with a $500 billion pipeline through 2026. Speaking of NVIDIA, CEO Jensen Huang said the whole world would have fallen apart if they missed earnings in Q3, which is quite the statement, and the Trump administration is considering selling NVIDIA H200 chips to China. Over in the altcoin world, BlackRock deposited 43,237 Ethereum worth $117 million into Coinbase, but Bitmine Immersion is facing unrealized losses of approximately $4.5 billion on their Ethereum holdings, which is absolutely brutal. A proposal to speed up the existing Solana disinflation rate by 2 times just went live. Coinbase is buying Solana trading platform Vector.fun and plugging its tech directly into their platform, which is a big doubling down on Solana. AerodromeFi is investigating a potential DNS hijacking, and Sorare announced they're laying off 35% of their workforce. If you enjoyed this daily roundup, make sure to follow me, and I'll see you tomorrow.